In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-delete activity on your Gmail account. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your activity history is kept intact unless you manually decide to remove it. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Google account homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the Manage Your Google Account option. This will take you to a hub where you can control various aspects of your Google account settings and preferences. On the Google account page, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Here, click on the Data and Privacy section. This area is where you can manage settings related to how your data is handled by Google's ecosystem. Scroll down until you find the section labeled History Settings. Within the History Settings, look for the Web and App Activity option and click on it. A new page will open where you can view and manage activities you've performed across Google's services. You should see a toggle switch for Web and App Activity. If this switch is on, it means Google is collecting your activity data. Direct your attention under the label to find an option that says Activity Controls. Click on Activity Controls and you will find several settings here. The one we're interested in is Auto Delete. Click on the Auto Delete option, which should be off if you do not want your activity to be removed automatically. If it's on, you can adjust the settings to stop it. Simply select the Don't Auto Delete option to prevent any automatic removal of your activity history. Once you've ensured that the Auto Delete feature is turned off, it's always a good idea to review other related settings in your Google account that might affect your data preferences. Doing so will ensure that you have a sound awareness of how your information is being managed. Remember, turning off Auto Delete means that you'll need to manage your activity history manually. This approach is advisable if you want to retain complete control over what stays and what goes in your activity log. Look for any confirmation prompts to save your changes and you're finished. By following these steps, you've now successfully turned off auto-delete activity within your Gmail settings. You now have better control over your data and can choose to delete it manually whenever needed. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this.